Here I am with Mitch and Mark on this series of The Block. They've chosen a Plungie original for this magnificent project. Mitch and Mark, why have you chosen the Plungie solution for this project?
Well, we had 1 week to do a pool and a pool area, and Mark, budget.
Oh, it was such a great affordable solution for us. To get it done in a week, it meant we could have this pool in, Mitch, within days. It was like craned over. Within a couple of days, we created this amazing outdoor living.
And normally, not only are you going to give up a month to put a pool in, but it's also going to cost you, $100,000 and more.
Oh.
This Plungie pool was so affordable, and it's given us the result of a perfect inbuilt backyard pool.
Jordan, it's been brilliant. You know what, when this has gone in and we've created this tropical oasis, it was so simple.
We're able
5
to
days for
save
this.
money for the surrounding garden and these established trees. It was a bonus.
And look at the result, it's absolutely amazing.
Well, it is the result of a full built-in pool, the look, the feel and the practicality.
Yeah, brilliant. So easy.
We
so
will be
easy.
doing one at home as soon as we get a chance.
Nah, we can't wait to support you guys on that
Yay.
project too.
Once everything was prepped, straight in, it's incredible to see within a day, 2 days I think we had the pool in, the tiles around it, and it was all set up ready to go.
And it was just the integration phase after that.
Yeah, it's been great.
We are Plungie converts to the hilt, I gotta say.